What's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So in today's video, I've got the best powder coater in the Florida Panhandle with us. He's helping me out with the graphics kit for the Navi. Big shout out to Geo Designs. So one of the cool things about this graphic kit is I'm actually going to be giving two graphic kits away. So here's the deal. I decided for one of the giveaway graphics, what I'm going to do is all you got to do is comment down below Geo Designs. And make sure you go and follow their Facebook page. I'll have a link down in the description. Make sure you leave this video a like, you're subscribed, and yeah. And then the other graphics I'm going to be giving away is I'm going to take it with me to the Barber Small Bore event June 3rd in Birmingham. And if you ride a Navi and you come up to me first, the first person to come up to me, you're going to get a free graphics kit for the Navi. So here's one of the kits I'm going to give away. It's a red one. Okay. And then this one is a sweet yellow one that we're going to give away. So like I said, you know what to do. And then if you're at the barber meet, you have to have the Navi there, and I'll give you the graphics kit. All right, so now we'll get caught up over here on what's going on.
Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get started. These wraps, they come all as one. So just make sure you split them up before you start. Don't try to lay it as a big panel. You'll have a terrible time. So I'm going to break these loose real quick. Always make sure you wipe your panels down. We're gonna usually use isopropyl alcohol, but just wipe it down. That way you don't have any residue or anything on there, so it's vinyl sticks. And then just so you guys know, we did the other side already, so we're going ahead and do this side. Just to kind of see how the vinyl is. The air release in this isn't super forgiving, I guess. So make sure when you're doing it, you might see some bubbles. Don't fret or worry about it. Just keep going. But yeah, so all these pretty much just follow the body lines. So they're not going to be perfect. So just start. I like to choose. I'll start in this back corner here. Sorry.
You're good.
So leave myself about the same gap as that other side. About like that. Yeah.
So me and another friend, we attempted the other side, and it turned out like hammered dog crap. So called Zach, and Zach's like, "Yep, we can definitely take care of this." And of course, we're kind of in a time crunch as well. We got the barber meet in like a week and a day, so I definitely wanted to get the graphics done for the Navi.
So real quick, you can see like right here. So once you start getting these, this is called fingering. You can kind of tell if you just keep chasing them. Sometimes they'll pinch up real tight. So just make sure you have a heat gun with you. If you can lift it up, that's ideal. Just apply a little bit of heat to it. You'll see it start moving around a little bit, like that. Back up, let it cool, and then press pretty firm, and just push through it. So if there's little fingers like that, like I said, add a little bit of heat to it, don't go crazy, and then press through it.
Boom.
So
and then Zach also mentioned something whenever we were off camera. He mentioned, would you take this kit to somebody else and let them wrap it if you have no wrapping experience?
If you have zero experience, yes. Or like me, I don't have a whole lot of experience. I wrap my personal drift cars and stuff, and those have their flaws and whatever. But I'm a big YouTube learner, so look up as much YouTube as you can. Watch as many videos you can. Laying the part is not hard. The details is the hard part. So getting the fingering, like with Tyler, when I came over, he had the piece on the other side. It had a lot of fingering, and it's hard to get them down once you mess with them a whole lot. So,
and one of the things that I noticed when I was trying to do this by myself is it was very easy to crease the vinyl, and then you get a hard spot, and then you're like, well, I didn't know what to do.
So and if you ever do get that, if you get a hard spot, don't be afraid to put your fingers behind it, lift the panel up, lift the wrap up, put just a little bit of heat, you'll see it go away, and then you can press down. Most of this adhesive is either pressure activated or heat activated, so if it's sitting there and it's fingering up like that, you can always lift it, reapply it, use some pressure, and it'll usually sit back down. But like on this side real quick while you're videoing, I guess you can see the bubbles.
Yeah.
Don't worry about them. Once you put this in the sun, 95% of those bubbles will go away. Whatever's left, you just take a heat gun, poke a small hole, and then press them down.
There's really not that many bubbles.
No, it's a little bit, but
way better than what it was before you came over. It was horrible.
Yeah.
And so also the kit comes with a sticker for this hole as well. You get ones for the forks, you get one for the the front fender up here, and then you get actual wheel stickers as well, and then you get a piece for the full headlight, and then there's a sticker up here that says Navi, and then on this side. So the next thing, the next bit, we're gonna finish wrapping the rest of the bike, and then I'll show you guys what the bike looks completely finished. And before Zach came over, I tore off one of the panels, and we decided that it was best to leave the panels on the bike and not try to do it. The best thing that Zach said was if you have a big workbench that you could lay these panels on, you could do it that way, but if you don't, then you could obviously put the bike on the center stand like we have it, and then you can actually lay the graphics just like that. All right, here is a look at the other side that Zach just got done wrapping. Big thank you to him for helping me. I couldn't have done this without him for sure. So Zach, you said this side lay down a lot more better?
Well, it was just a lot easier for me. Once I did that one side, you know, your first side's always going to be weird because you're scared and haven't done it, you know, getting your feeling back.
Yeah.
But what I pretty much did was I tented to keep this line straight here. Started with the top, laid my top down, and then worked down. If you try to lay this out first and you come over, you can get a lot of those wrinkles. But this isn't bad. The biggest thing with this is, like I said, you're gonna push through the wrinkles. You're gonna have to apply pressure. So if you get the fingering, apply a lot of pressure and really force it to go. If you just kind of press, they'll just, you know, stay there and won't go anywhere. So you gotta give it some force, but they lay down. Turned out not too bad.
Yeah, it looks good. And then he also did the headlight as well. It's a 3-piece. You know, you have the Navi up here, and then you have the two on the side. So I think it looks super good. On the other side, there's a little bit of bubbles. I'm gonna pop those, and then once the sun comes out tomorrow, let the bike get some heat from that, and it should work out all those bubbles. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Don't forget, if you are interested in winning, let me move some of this stuff over. If you're interested in winning one of these 2 graphics kit for your Navi, you got to go follow Geodesigns on Instagram and go like their page on Facebook. I have a link down in the description as well for that. So we'll do one giveaway on YouTube, and then one of these is going to be given away at the Barber Small Bore event, June 3rd through the 5th. All you got to do is come up to me, show me you have a Navi, and one of these graphics kits is going to be yours. I don't know which color I'm taking. We'll figure it out when we get there. It'll be a surprise. But yeah, I think the bike turned out amazing. I can't wait to get it out in the sun tomorrow. And yeah, big thank you to Zach for helping me installing this. Yeah, I definitely couldn't have done it without you. I tried to do it by myself and another friend, and we definitely screwed everything up. But I think the color goes very well with the color scheme of the actual Navi itself. So that is going to do it for today's video. 2 of you guys are going to get some cool graphics kits from Geodesign. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, leave this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.